Hello, fellow traders. So I made a video last week about natural gas business futures, and we did elect this one. So I'm gonna mark it red. What next? Well, it was just a reaction this week, so I don't think we're still there. Um, we'll go lower until the 8th. So today might be a reaction down. The number to watch is 220. 222, 224, some around that area. The reason why is it's not just time yet, and I will discuss this arrays in the private blog. But for everybody else, it's just not time yet. I think because of that, I don't know why it sparked, but I think it's still just um, maybe it could be a good reaction because you already have 3 days. But let's see today. I'll look into a race and see, but I don't think this is ready just yet. Good luck.